All right, let's talk about something people don't say out loud. Your reputation. It's not stuck in stone. In fact, it's more like clay. You can shape it, smooth it out, or even start again if you need to. So, how do you actually reinvent your reputation, especially as a professional? First, own your story. If there's a misconception or an old version of you floating around, address it head on. Don't let silence fill in the blanks for you. Next, show up consistently. People trust patterns, not promises. Post that insightful LinkedIn article, deliver on your word, and be the person whose actions quietly rewrite the narrative. And here's a big one. Seek feedback from those who will be honest, not just kind. Sometimes one tough conversation can spark the biggest change. Also, highlight your growth. Share your journey, what you've learned, what you do differently now. People love a good comeback story, especially if you're willing to be a little vulnerable. Remember, it's not about pretending to be someone new. It's about intentionally steering the way people describe you when you're not in the room. So start today. Make one small shift, show up differently, and watch how your reputation starts to change, one interaction at a time. You're in control of your story. Make it count.